How to download and install Stardew Valley on PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. To download your Stardew Valley, you need to get yourself Steam. For that, launch a preferred browser and search for Steam Download. Select on the first option. In here, you will find the option of Install Steam. Just tap on it. Once Steam is installed, you can tap Open. Make sure that you have created an account or logged in. Once done, just search for your Stardew Valley. Select on the option. As you can see, it is not a free game and you actually have to download or purchase it. For that, just select on In-Cart option. It will cost you at least of $7. So you can select any of the payment method that you find suitable for you. Once you are done with the payment or transaction, you will get yourself to download and install your Stardew Valley. By this way, you'll be able to enjoy your Stardew Valley on your PC or laptop. That's the end for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.